In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can make a Uber driver account in Canada. As you can see, these are the basic driver requirements in order for you to be eligible enough to work as a Uber driver. Well, as you can see, the minimum requirements is that you must meet the minimum age requirement of Uber and be legally allowed to drive in your country or in your city, which is Canada. Next is you need to submit these required documents like a valid documentation to drive in your country, a proof of residency, a driver profile photo that involves a forward-facing face, and the photo only of the driver with no other subject in the frame. Now, after doing that, you need to get on the Get Started with Uber and you need to sign up for an account. And once you have signed up for an account, you will now enter the driver screening. So just click this, and then here you have to click the sign up now. That's it. That's how you can create or make a Uber driver account in Canada, and thank you for listening.